In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give customers credit in QuickBooks Online. A credit memo is the easiest way to reduce what a customer owes you after an overcharge, a return, or a goodwill adjustment. We'll create the credit, make sure the details are accurate for your records, and send it so your customer has a clear acknowledgement of the change. Start by using the search bar inside QuickBooks Online. Type credit memo. This is the quickest path and avoids digging through menus. From the results, open the option to create a new credit memo. That brings up a clean form where we'll enter the details of the credit. Begin by choosing the customer. Pick the same customer associated with the original invoice, so the credit is linked correctly to their account. When you select the customer, QuickBooks will pull in their profile automatically. Next, add the customer's email address. This ensures they receive the document as soon as we send it. If the address isn't already saved, type it in now. It can be updated later in the customer record, but entering it here means the credit memo will go straight to their inbox. Add the service date. Use the date that reflects when the product was returned or the service was adjusted. Accurate dating keeps your reports clear and helps match this credit to the original